What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you my motorcycle, which I cut my muffler. Here, as you can see, I cut it. Sound check. It now looks cleaner and sporty. Been already weeks since I cut the muffler, and I have noticed that I have more power than it used to be. When I climb on the hills, I get more power, more torque. It's more easier, much easier now to climb the hills. And in mileage, I don't notice any difference on my mileage, so there's no really bad effects on cutting your muffler. If you want, you can also replace this with some stock aftermarket mufflers and put it here. But for me, I prefer this one. It's cleaner.